What happens if you eat a banana every day? Bananas are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, making them a great addition to your daily diet. Eating one banana a day can help regulate blood pressure, support heart health, and improve digestion. The natural sugars in bananas provide a quick energy boost, while their fiber content aids in keeping you full and satisfied. Additionally, bananas can improve muscle function and reduce cramps due to their high potassium levels. However, while they're healthy, it's important to eat them in moderation, as they can contribute to higher sugar intake if consumed excessively.